We teacher roga. Beginner akauga unit 3 lesson 1 beginning. Who did the kauga unit 3 lesson 2 lesson title. What's your favorite season? Page number 29 to 26. Oh, we unit 3 lesson 2 limit on question and answer. How many months are there in a year? Do you know the order of the months? Which month is it now? Okay, so how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. So do you know the order of the month? Okay, let's check. How many months are there in a year? Yeah, months of the year. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Here, these are all the order of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. Okay, so you have to know months of the year, also days of the week, also. Okay. Okay, lesson 2. What's your favorite season? The title is What's your favorite season? Number 1 is listen and repeat. You have to listen and after that you have to repeat. Okay, listen first. 1 January, January, January. 2 February, February, February. 3 March, March, March. 4 April, April, April. 5 May, May, May. 6 June, June, June. 7 July, July, July. 8 August, August, August. And 9 September, September, September. 10 October, October, October. 11 November, November, November. And then 12 December, December, December. How we know? There are 12 months in a year. တစ်နှစ်မှာ12လရှိရဲ့ဟောပြောတာပါဟုတ်ပြီနောက်တစ်ခုသွားရအောင်ဒီချေတို့က 1AB or 1B ကိုမသွားခင် we have to know about before and after. Okay. Yeah, what do you see? 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct. Okay. This one before and then that one is after. So how do we say? Like check. 1 is before 2. 1 is before 2. 1 is before 2 and then 3 is after 2. Yeah. 3 after 2. 3 is after 2. Okay. Okay, so we have to read the question. Number 1B, which month comes next after January, February, after February, March. So before March is February. Yes. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Let's check our answer. Yes, February. After that, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. After that, number 2, let's go to number 2. Number 2 is uncircle the letters to make the month. You have to rewrite or uncircle the letter to make the months, the correct months. Okay, number one, they give you a hint. Let's check. Number one is the what's the capital letter? Capital letter is D. So you have to write the first letter is the capital. ပထမဆုံး letter capital ဖြစ်မှာပေါ့အဲ့ဒါမလို့ D နဲ့ပေးထားတဲ့အတွက် teacher တို့ကကြည့်ရအောင်ဒီဟာကိုဘယ်လိုရေးမလဲ D နဲ့စားတဲ့ month က December ဟုတ်ပြီ J နဲ့စားတဲ့ month ကဒီမှာက J E N G A U လို့ပေးထားတဲ့ June number 3က A နဲ့စားတဲ့အတွက် August number 4 March number 5 April yeah and so you have to fill the blanks and then write the correct month. Okay, here for you, here the color of your birthday month. So each and every student have a birthday month. For me, I was born in June, that's why I have to color in June. Okay, so this one is the coloring activity, or you have to draw on your book or something like that. ဒါတို့မျိုးစာထမှာဒီဟာကိုဖြည့်မယ်ဖြည့်ပြီးလို့ရှိရင် color ချဲလို့ရတယ်နော် Okay, here unit 3 season in Myanmar. Here that 3A listen and repeat. You have to listen and then after that you have to repeat. Okay, so I'm saying for you 30 days in September, April, June, and November. The rest have 31, but February has only 28 and 29 in a leap year. Okay, so you have to listen the sound. Okay, please wait. Before I open the sound, and then you have to color it. This one. Okay.
Unit 4, Lesson 2. Track 30. Track 28. Exercise 5A.
Okay. So let's listen. And then after that, repeat after me. 30 days in September, April, June, and November. The rest has 31. But February has only 28. And 29 in a leap year. And 29 in a leap year. Here, what did they say? They say that 30 days in September. September က 30 days ရက်ပေါင်း30ပဲရှိရလို့ပြောတာပါ April, June and November. The rest have 31. April, June, the rest ကျန်တဲ့လတွေကတော့31ရက်ရှိပါတယ် February has only 28. February ကတော့28ပါတယ် 29 in a leap year ရက်ထက်နှစ်မှာတစ်ရက်တော့ February 29ဟုတ်ပြီနော်ဒီဟာလေးကိုဖတ်ပြီးတော့ဒီစတို့က exercise လုပ်ကြည့်ရအောင် 3B complete the table. You have to complete the table after that. Here January, here February. What did we learn? February has only 28. Am I correct? Yes. And then March, April. 30 days in November, April, June, and November. 0. Yes, 30. And then June, April, June, and November, 30 days in September. So also June is also 30 days. The rest have 31. So July have 31 days, and then October 30 days in September, April, June, and November. The rest have 31. So October will be 31 days. Yes. How about the December? December also 31. Correct. Thank you. After that, we have to go to another one. 4A. Answer the question and complete the sentence. You have to answer the question. After that, write down the you have to complete the sentence. How many days are there in April? In April, how many days? Yes, there are 30 days in April. How many days are there in December? In December, how many days? There are 31 days in December. Am I right? Number 3, how many days are there in June? In June, how many days? There are 30 days in June. And then how many days are there in October? In October, there are 31 days. So there are 31 days in October. How many months are there in a year? So how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Okay, let's go to another. So before we go to the 5A, we have to read this one. What's the weather like today in our town or city? And then the next one is, how many types of weather do you know? And then what weather do you like? For me, I like the rainy season. Okay, so let's go. In season in Myanmar, in our country, there are 3 seasons: hot season, rainy season, and cold season. Yeah, in hot season, the sun shines, so that's why we call it hot. In rainy season, we can see the rain. Cold season, the weather is cold. Yeah, so look at the picture. Oh, very, very hot. That's why the sun, you get sweat. For rainy season, yeah, you see the picture. Is a holding the umbrella. There is a rain. Oh, very, very cool. Yeah. In our country, how many seasons are there? There are 3 seasons: hot season, rainy season, and cold season. So hot season, we already learned about how many months are there in a year. Yeah, there are 12 months in a year. That 12 months is a hot season. In hot season, in March, April, May. In rainy season, the late May, June, July, August, September, and October. For cold season, and November, December, and January, and February. One we was again. တချို့ငယ်ငယ်တုန်းကဆိုလို့ရှိရင်hot season, rainy season, cold season နွေရာသီမိုးရာသီဆောင်းရာသီကိုဘယ်လိုကြပြလေးနဲ့တင်ပေးရဲဆိုတော့March, April, May နွေ June, July, August အောက်မှာနွေမိုးတစ်ပေါက်ပေါက်ရွာနိုစီစံဖေးလေးလာဟာစောင်းနှင်းဝေတဲ့ဟိမန်ခါကျဲတို့ကအဲ့လိုမှတ်ခဲ့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော် March, April, May နွေ March ရဲ့ April ရဲ့ May ကနွေလာပါတဲ့ hot season. In English, hot season. June, July, August ဂျွန်ဇူလိုင်ဩဂတ်အောက်မှာဆိုတာတဲ့ဂျွန်ရဲ့ဇူလိုင်ရဲ့ဩဂတ်စက်တင်ဘာအောက်တိုဘာမှာနွေမိုးတစ်ပေါက်ပေါက်ရွာတဲ့မိုးတွေရွာတာကိုပြောတာပါ rainy season nosy ဂျန်ဖေလေးလာမှာတဲ့စောင်းနှင်းဝင်တဲ့ဟိမန်ခါလို့ဒီကျတို့အဲ့လိုမှတ်ခဲ့ရပါတယ် November December January February ဆိုပြီးတော့အဲ့လိုမှတ်ခဲ့ရပါတယ်တဲ့ဟုတ်ပြီဒီကျတို့နိုင်ငံမှာကြတော့ there are 3 seasons in our country: hot season, rainy season, cold season. How about the other country? Yeah, the other country there are 4 seasons. Yeah, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring ဆိုတာကຫນွေဥရာသီຫນွေရာသီမိုးဥရာသီနဲ့ဆောင်းရာသီဆိုပြီးသူတို့နိုင်ငံတွေကကျတော့လေမောfour season ပေါ့နော် we have a three seasons they have four seasons spring summer autumn winter okay so let's go to number 5a number 5a is read the text and then complete the table. You have to read the text and then after that you have to complete this table. Okay, let's read first. There are three seasons in Myanmar. They are hot season, the rainy season, and the cold season. The hot season is March to May. In the hot season, it's sunny and hot. You can go swimming, and then swimming is fun. Leaves fall from trees. The rainy season is from late May to October. In the rainy season, it is cool and wet. Sometimes it is stormy too. Plants start to grow. The cold season is from November to February. In the cold season, it is cool and dry. In the mountains, it is sometimes snowy. It is the best time to do sports. Okay. သူတို့ကဘာပြောထားလဲဆိုတော့ပုံလေးကိုကြည့်လိုက်မယ် hot season မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် look at the picture the children are playing at the beach and then rainy season there's a rainy and also windy and then here cold season yeah look at the picture they are doing exercise some are walking some are running yeah so there are three seasons in Myanmar ကျုံနိုင်ငံမှာဆိုရင်ရာသီဥတု၃ခုရှိပါတယ်hot season နွေရာသီမိုးရာသီဆောင်းရာသီဆိုပြီးတော့ရှိရဲ hot season ကဘယ်ကနေဘယ်ထိလဲဆိုရင် the hot season is March to May March ကနေ May ထိရှိပါတယ် hot season မှာဘာတွေဖြစ်လဲ sunny နေပူရဲပြီးတော့ hot ရာသီဥတုကပူရဲ so you can go swimming ရေသွားကူးလို့ရတယ် swimming is fun leaves fall from tree နွေရာသီမှာဆိုရင်သရွက်တွေလည်းကျွေးကြပါတယ် the rainy season is from late May ဆိုတာကမေလကုန်ကန်ဒီမှာပြောတာပါ late May to မေလကုန်ကန်ဒီကနေအောက်တိုဘာအထိကမိုးရာသီလို့သတ်မှတ်ပါတယ် in the rainy season မိုးရာသီမှာဆိုရင် it is cold and wet ရာသီဥတုကအေးလေးနဲ့ဆိုးတဲ့ရာသီဥတုဖြစ်တယ် sometimes it is stormy တခါတလေမှာမုန်တိုင်းတွေပါတယ်တဲ့ကြားတယ် plants start to grow နွေရာသီမှာသရွက်တွေကျွေးကြပြီးတော့မိုးရာသီမှာကျတော့သရွက်တွေကပြန်ပေါက်တယ်ပေါ့နော်အသစ်ပြန်ထွက်တယ် the cold season is from November to February ဆောင်းရာသီကဘယ်ကနေပဲထိလဲဆိုတော့ November ကနေ February အထိပါတဲ့ in the cold season ဆောင်းရာသီမှာဆိုရင် it is cold and dry ရာသီဥတုကအေးပြီးတော့ခြောက်သွေ့သွေ့နိုင်ပါတယ် in the mountain တောင်တွေပေါ်မှာဆိုရင် it sometimes snowy တောင်တွေပါဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုနေရာတွေဒေသတွေလဲဆိုတော့တောင်ပေါ်ဒေသတွေမှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် it sometimes snowy တခါတလေမှာနှင်းတွေတောင်ကျပါတယ်တဲ့ it is the best time to do sport ဆောင်းရာသီကတော့အားကစားလုပ်လို့အကောင်းဆုံးရာသီပါတဲ့ဒီအပေါ်ကစာပိုက်ကိုဖတ်ပြီးတော့အောက်ကဇယားလေး table ကိုဖြည့်ရအောင် season hot season မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဘယ်ကနေဘယ်ထိ March April May အဲ့မှာဆိုရင်သူ့ရဲ့ weather condition ကဘယ်လိုဖြစ်မလဲ sunny and hot how about the rainy season yeah month the month is cold wet May is late May June July August September October how about the weather condition cold wet and stormy how about the cold season month which month cold season is November December January February yes the weather is cold dry and snowy 5b number 5b answer the questions how many seasons are there in Myanmar what are the names of the season one is the hot season and one is the rainy season one is the cold season okay you have to read the text and then you have to answer the question after that write down in your writing book okay 5c 5c in pairs ask and answer the question about the weather you have to ask and answer the question about the weather Okay, here what's the weather like in the hot season? Student B, it is sunny and hot. Yeah, in the hot season, the weather is sunny and hot. Okay, you have to practice with your friends. Okay, let's go to page number 29, 6A. You have to match the season with what you see and do in the season. Here there are 3 seasons. After that, you have to match. In the hot season, what do you see? Hot season. Yes, leaves fall from trees, and then yeah, so sweep up leaves in the garden. တရွက်တွေကြတော့ garden ထဲမှာ leaves တွေကိုလှည့်ရမှာပေါ့ the rainy season မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် we can play football in the rain. Yeah, and then yeah, we the grow plant သစ်ပင်တွေလည်းစိုက်လို့ရတယ် cold season မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် yeah, the cold season is the best time to do sports. And then yes, in the cold season we can wear the beautiful sweaters. Am I right? So number 6B. 6B, write about your favorite season and also give reason. So here they write down the example for you. My favorite season is the rainy season because I can play football in the rain. For teacher, my favorite season is the rainy season because I can wear the beautiful sweater. Okay. မိုးရသည်မှာsweater လှလှလေးဝတ်လို့ရတယ်ဟုတ်ပြီနော် for you we are not the same, so you have to write down your favorite season and then give the reason. Number 6C. Ask your friend about their favorite season and complete the table. So you have to ask your friends about their favorite season and then you have to write down in their table. Okay, so go and ask your friends about their favorite season. After that, complete the table. Okay, ဒီကျတို့ကအခုက unit 3ရဲ့ lesson 2လည်းပြီးပြီ unit 3ရဲ့ lesson 1လည်းပြီးပြီဆိုတော့teacher တို့ရဲ့သင်ခန်းစာဒီမှာတင်ပြီးပြီပေါ့နော်နောက် unit 4ကိုနောက်သင်ခန်းစာမှာပြန်တွေ့မယ် thank you very much